The jump is silent, but the transition is absolute. Behind us, the blinding, chaotic heart of the Milky Way shrinks. The glowing fog of 200 billion stars compresses, the spiral arms pull tight, and finally, our home becomes a single, magnificent disk of light, suspended against an infinite black canvas. We have breached the galactic halo. We have left our home behind. Before us lies the ultimate abyss, intergalactic space. To cross the void to our nearest major neighbor, Andromeda, we must traverse 2.5 million light-years of the most profound emptiness in the universe. Out here, the human concept of distance loses all meaning. There is no up, there is no down, there is no day and no night, just a terrifying, beautiful ocean of nothingness. Inside a galaxy, space is relatively crowded with gas, dust, and light. Out here, you might find only a single atom of hydrogen per cubic meter. It is the closest thing in nature to a perfect vacuum. But the void is not entirely empty. Even here, in the dark, there are ghosts. As we plunge deeper into the black, our sensors detect a solitary, screaming anomaly. Far ahead of us, a single beacon of blazing blue light is moving at an impossible speed, over 4 million miles per hour. This is a hypervelocity star, a cosmic exile. Millions of years ago, this star and a binary partner ventured too close to Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole we just left behind. In a violent gravitational slingshot, its partner was consumed. But this star was violently kicked out of the Milky Way with such force that it shattered the galaxy's gravitational hold forever. Now, it burns alone in the deep dark. Unbound by the gravity of any galaxy, it is doomed to sail the intergalactic void, a solitary lighthouse in a sea of night, until its fires finally die. We match its incredible pace for only a moment, a brief salute to a cosmic castaway, before accelerating past it, deeper into the dark. As the light of the runaway star fades, the true darkness of the intergalactic ocean sets in. The light from the Milky Way behind us and Andromeda ahead of us casts only the faintest, ghostly glow. We are so isolated that if you were to look out the window without the ship's instruments, you would see absolute, terrifying blackness. Yet, if you tune your sensors to microwaves, the void is glowing. We are flying through a bath of faint radiation, only a few degrees above absolute zero. This is the cosmic microwave background, the fading afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Out here, in the emptiness, it is the only warmth to be found. Then, our instruments register a shadow. Something massive is blocking the distant diffuse starlight. We decelerate, illuminating the dark with our ship's floodlights. The beams reveal something truly terrifying. It is a world, a rogue planet, roughly the mass of Jupiter, but utterly frozen. It has no star to orbit, no sun to warm it, no dawn to wake it. It was likely violently ejected from a nascent solar system billions of years ago, cast out of its home galaxy to drift in the absolute zero of the void. Its oceans, if it ever had them, are solid ice, frozen all the way down to the core. Its atmosphere has collapsed and frozen onto the surface like a blanket of dark snow. It is a monument to cosmic isolation, a silent tomb wandering the space between realms. We leave the sunless world to its endless night. As we continue our voyage, we realize that we are not simply flying through an empty room. We are sailing along an invisible bridge. Our sensors, tuned to X-ray frequencies, reveal a faint, glowing web stretching across the void. This is the Warm-Hot Intergalactic Medium, tenuous threads of superheated gas clinging to the invisible scaffolding of dark matter. The universe is not just a collection of isolated islands. It is a cosmic web. These massive, invisible filaments act as bridges, tethering our Milky Way directly to Andromeda. They are a physical manifestation of the immense gravitational destiny that binds our two galaxies together. We follow the web, and the smudge of light ahead of us begins to grow. It expands from a fuzzy, indistinct oval into a breathtaking spiral of unparalleled majesty. It dominates our viewport, stretching across the cosmos, a brilliant pinwheel of blue and gold. We have arrived at the shores of M31, the Andromeda Galaxy. It is a behemoth, spanning 220,000 light-years across. It is more than twice the size of our Milky Way. It is a sprawling metropolis containing over 1 trillion stars, a trillion new suns, a trillion new chances for life. But as we gaze upon its magnificent spiral arms and its glowing, dense core, a chilling realization sets in. Andromeda is not just sitting there. It is growing larger because it is hurtling directly toward us at 250,000 miles per hour. We are not just looking at a neighbor, we are looking at our future. In 4 billion years, these two colossal titans will collide. Their mutual gravity will rip their spiral structures apart, sparking a violent firestorm of new star birth. For millions of years, the night sky of Earth will be ablaze with the chaos of two colliding universes, before they eventually merge into a single, massive, elliptical galaxy, Milky. But that violent future is still billions of years away. For now, Andromeda is a pristine, uncharted wilderness of a trillion suns, waiting to be explored. We adjust our trajectory, aiming for the outer edge of its sprawling, starry disk. We have crossed the void. Now, it is time to see what monsters and miracles are hiding in the dark of a brand new galaxy. Engage thrusters, take us in.